So, good morning, all the participants, and good morning, Dr. Gaurav.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
good morning, sir. We are going to
Good
start
morning, good
the
morning, ma'am.
good morning, all of you. We are going to start the session Moodle of this third day of this STC on free and open source software tools for effective teaching learning. So we have with us Dr. Gaurav Kumar. Dr. Gaurav Kumar is founder, director, and first promoter of Megma Research and Consultancy Services, Ambala, Haryana. His qualification integrate MCA, MPhil Computer Science, MTech IT, PhD in Computer Science, LLB, and he is IBM Certified Associate Developer. He obtained international certification in data science, Python, blockchain programming, machine learning, software testing, and related technologies from corporate giants including IBM, Google, Accenture, and many others. So he possesses more than 18 years of experience in teaching, industry, and research. And the articles and research papers on assorted technologies were published by him as main author in international magazines, journals, newspapers, and conferences. He is associated with number of international periodicals as editor, reviewer, and member of advisory panel. And he delivers practical hands-on sessions on recent technologies in workshops, faculty development programs, short-term courses, and also in technical events as resource person in various states of India. So I welcome you, sir, on behalf of EC department, and I hope our participants in this course will get benefited from your vast experience related to these areas, and especially the Moodle, the topic of today's session. So welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
So it is up to you now, sir. You can start your session.
Sure. Okay, ma'am. So, good morning to all the participants. We are starting this session. I'm just sharing my screen and kindly confirm, is it visible as well as audible to all of you? Is-
Yes, sir. Everything is okay, sir.
Okay, visible and audible both clearly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, dear participants, in this session, we will start with learning management system. What is actually a learning management system, and which are different key features of LMS products, and along with that, as far as the practical hands-on is concerned, we will take a real-time demonstration of Moodle LMS, how to use learning management system for teaching and learning. Before actual demonstration, before any real-time demonstration, first of all, we will have a discussion. We will have a look on different tools and technologies for teaching and learning, for automation of teaching and learning processes. And from you might have seen that from last more than 1 year, we are in the state of work from home. And not only work from home, most of the activities are going on in online mode, whether it is teaching and learning from home or corporate sector. In case of different government organizations, most of the activities are in online mode. And depending upon different regions, depending upon the accessibility and comfort level, we are making use of different technologies. You might have seen, and you also might have worked on different technologies during lockdown, and at this stage, at this particular stage also, when we are working from home, whether it is a corporate sector or academic domain, from last 1 year, we are making use of different apps, different software, whether it is Zoom, Cisco WebEx, or WhatsApp groups. or mail applications. Why we are discussing this point, first of all? Because during this scenario of work from home or teaching and learning from home, we are using so many applications in diversified way for interaction, for synchronous communication. We are making use of WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal to send study material. We are also using mail applications. Even many times you might have seen that we give assignments on WhatsApp also. Many small scale institutes are using only WhatsApp for interaction with their students or colleagues. For web conferencing, for video meetings, we are using Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet. Hundreds of platforms are available nowadays and increasing day by day. What is the major issue in all these apps in diversified way? Okay, it's fine that we can work on Zoom, we can work on WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail separately, but major problem arise when the task comes on the compilation of data. It becomes very hectic for course coordinator or for a particular teacher to compile data from multiple sources. So one data set we are collecting from WhatsApp, Telegram. Second set of data we are collecting from Gmail. Another data we are taking from screenshots of Zoom or WebEx or GoToMeeting. So for n number of activities, for n number of modules in work from home, we are using n number of apps, n number of software. So rather than using all these different applications in segregated way, in fragmented way, we can use centralized applications, centralized platforms, which we call as learning management systems. As you can see on this slide, there are so many platforms visible, and few of these you also might have worked, like Google Classroom, because from last 1 year this platform is very popular. But each and every platform is having their own set of features. If we discuss about Google Classroom, it is having few features. If we discuss about Edmodo, that is having its own set of features. But in teaching and learning from home, in work from home or teacher student interaction, only assignments are not sufficient, only video meetings are not sufficient. We need different applications. We need chat also. We need plagiarism checking module also. If students are sending assignment via online platform, there are the possibilities arise. There are so many possibilities that they will copy it from internet and simply upload it on Google Classroom or whatever platform we are using. For example, we are using WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, there is no mechanism to check whether the content is plagiarized or not. There is no option to integrate payment gateway. Suppose we are using Google Classroom or WhatsApp, and we want to enroll our participants in course. You might have seen that nowadays the features of Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, these are also available. But that data we are collecting from PhonePe or WhatsApp or Google Pay. Okay. Another data set we are collecting from Google Classroom via screenshots. So what is actually required in effective teaching and learning from home. That is integration of learning management systems. Learning management systems, there are so many learning management systems, so many LMS suites. More than 500 LMS suites are available nowadays in free distribution without paying even a single rupee. We can integrate all features, all modules which we need in our routine applications, in our routine life, whether it is corporate sector or academic domain. So LMS is not specific to schools, colleges, or educational institutes. Even corporate world is also using such platforms for their induction programs, for knowledge transfer. And on common platform, on centralized platform, there will be each and everything that we can imagine to incorporate work from home. As you can see here, these are few modules. Beyond these, so many things are available in learning management systems, like blended course management, creation of course content in multiple segments, in multiple types. Whether I want to deliver a video lecture, I want to send some study material in multiple file formats, that is available. Virtual attendance register, which is not available in so many different applications. So if I'm using, for example, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other application, in that case, there is no attendance register. Even in Google Classroom also, there is no provision of virtual attendance register. Messaging chat sessions. Nowadays, what we are doing, we create some WhatsApp groups and we enroll our students in that WhatsApp group and we start communicating with that. But for real world, in real world applications, it is not so much professional. Okay, WhatsApp we can use for personal communication. Okay, but for professional communication, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, or WeChat, these are not so much professional, because you might have seen that in WhatsApp groups, so many informal communication also takes place. Our students start sending some informal messages, some informal wishes, okay, which is not required in um, professional environment, in professional teaching and learning environment, in professional scenario of work from home. So you might have seen, also you might have experienced that after few days of enrollment or integration in WhatsApp group, so people start sending some greeting cards or some images or some unprofessional personal messages. But if we integrate all these things on a web-based ERP, which is only for teaching and learning, in that case, nobody will share unwanted messages or unprofessional messages. And if we are accepting assignments or homeworks or case studies via online platform, then definitely there must be provision to check plagiarism. Currently, there is no provision in traditional software to check whether this assignment or case study is plagiarized or not. So video conferencing is also available, cloud compatibility, payment gateway. So within LMS itself, within LMS suite, all these features are available. And beyond these features also, so many other things can be integrated. If we want to conduct a workshop, or if we want to integrate any particular course enrollment along with its fee, suppose we want to take fee of participation fee of that course via Paytm or Google Pay or Phone Pay or net banking, credit cards, it can be done within LMS itself. So on common platform, on single centralized platform, there will be flavor of each and everything that we need. And it becomes very easy for course coordinator or for class teacher to compile the data. There is no need to move to different applications to compile the data, to collect the data. On common platform, each and everything will be available. Student attendance, chat sessions, record of each and every chat session will be there. So which student sent which type of message to a teacher, what reply was sent by that particular teacher. Even performance management system is also available. Whether teacher was punctual or not, at which particular time this class was started. Integrated plagiarism checker and free mobile apps. Whenever we work on some web-based application, we need its mobile app also. Android, BlackBerry, iPhone, Mac. So there are so many free and open source learning management systems available, which provides free mobile app for different platforms, for different operating systems. So without paying any subscription fee or annual licensing fee, we can make use of such platforms on which the management of different types of courses can be done, whether it is a small scale institute or we are working on a large scale corporate sector. We are integrating it for a university where different disciplines are available. So as far as now the question comes, okay, there are so many platforms available, there are so many tools available. So which is that particular platform that is leading in the world, that is on the top of all these platforms? So as you can see in this slide, there are so many platforms: Google Classroom, Camilo, Edmodo, Metacoon, Sakai, Claroline. So more than 500 platforms are available in cyberspace. But which is that platform, which is that learning management system that we should use, that is having all these features? So as you can see in this slide, that is Moodle, modular object-oriented dynamic learning environment, and it is top level. It is the prominent learning management system that is used almost in almost every country, even in India also. Many higher educational institutes, many top level organizations like IITs, IIMs, ISCs, they have deployed their courses on Moodle LMS. So you will see this. This is the official portal of Moodle LMS, moodle.org. Is this screen visible to all participants? Please confirm in chat only. Only in chat, please confirm. Visible or not visible? So moodle.org. And this is the platform, this is the learning management system where you will find each and everything that is required for teaching and learning from home, or for automation, not for teaching learning from home, for automation of courses, for automation of any specific workshop, even for conferences also we can use this platform. And free mobile apps are available in this particular learning management system, and more than 2000 plugins are available in this learning management system, which we can integrate on demand. If we want to use plagiarism checking or blended course delivery, video conferencing, Skype meeting, virtual attendance register, biometric based attendance. So whatever you can imagine, workshops, seminars, different features, different modules which we need in any educational institute. Each and everything is available in Moodle. And if we see its statistics, so initially I'm covering different perspectives, different dimensions of Moodle LMS, and after that we will start the demonstration part, how to work with it. Currently we are discussing about various features, various modules of Moodle LMS, and after that we will start its demonstration. As you can see, this is the statistics of Moodle LMS. In how many countries it is currently deployed? You can see here around 2 lakh sites are deployed, 1,74,000. It means more than 1.5 lakh, or around, you can say that it is increasing day by day. Around 2 lakh websites, around 2 lakh educational institutes are using Moodle LMS. In how many countries? 242 countries. You can see that its prominence. And country wise we can see its deployment, and this figure is increasing. If you will check it after 1 hour, these values will be increased. Okay, if you will check tomorrow, it might cross to 2 lakh. Okay, so in India also you can see around 6,400 websites are deployed, and India is in top 10 countries where Moodle is deployed for different courses. You might have seen different online portals like Simplilearn, edX, Udemy. These platforms are also using Moodle LMS at the background. At the back end, they are using such platforms so that they can interact with the students. They can give some assignment to the students. In same platform, they can work on Zoom meetings. They can work on video conferencing on common platform. On same platform, certificates are getting generated. You might have seen in case of online courses like Upgrade, Udemy. So they provide certificates by online mode. Even many international certifications are given in online mode. So on completion of course, certificate is automatically generated. So all these features are available in Moodle LMS. As soon as a student will achieve more than 75% attendance, along with that scoring in different assignments, scoring in different quiz, and as soon as different criteria is covered, then its certificate will be generated automatically within LMS itself, within Moodle itself, which is not available in so many other platforms, including Google Classroom or Edmodo. Why? Because Moodle is fully flexible, 100% free and open source, 100% customizable. You can customize it. You can modify it as per your requirements. Plug in, plug out. Whatever module you need, you can plug in. Whatever module is not required, that you can plug out. Okay. So all these screenshots I have already put in this presentation, and I will share this presentation at end of the session. Okay. It is just for reference, and these are different sites registered on size. So how many sites are registered depending upon the scalability. Okay, so you can refer this presentation later on, and this is the URL, that is stats.moodle.org. Okay, and this was the developer of Moodle. You can see actually Moodle was the topic of research, doctorate research, and nowadays you can see that how much effective this research topic was, that nowadays entire world is adopting that scenario for work from home or for e-learning. Okay, and these are different universities, few of the universities. Okay, in India, as we have seen in stats, that more than 6,000 websites are there. Okay, and as far as costing is concerned, as far as its development is concerned, if we give contract to a corporate organization to develop a software in which each and everything should be available for e-learning, like attendance, blended course delivery, video conferencing, plagiarism checker, in that case you will be surprised that you will have to pay at least 5 lakh rupees. The professional software for e-learning starts with at least 5 lakh rupees, but there is no need to pay even a single rupee in case of free and open source software like Moodle LMS. So that's why government organizations are also adopting this platform, because of its flexibility, because of its cost factor, that there is no cost associated. Only simply download and we can start using this platform. Okay, so if we discuss that why only Moodle LMS, there are so many other platforms available. A-Tutor is available, Dokios is available, Sakai, Claroline, so many platforms we are having in free and open source distribution. Then why only Moodle LMS? As you can see, in case of A-Tutor, Dokios, internationalization is not available. International languages. It means, suppose I am delivering a content in English language. If somebody is not aware, is not comfortable with English, they need the content in Arabic. It is not available in A-Tutor and Dokios. But in case of Moodle LMS, this is available. Internationalization as well as localization. I am delivering the content in English, but the other end, the student is receiving that content in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Spanish, Arabic, Urdu, in whatever language they are comfortable. Dynamic content translation. And so many modules are available for speech to text, text to speech. And that's why this platform is nowadays so much prominent that many universities are using this software for e-learning, for delivery of blended content. In case of Sakai, very complex architecture, we have to hire a specialized expert, a technical expert. In case of Moodle LMS, there is no need of any technical expertise. There is no need to hire a programmer. There is no need to hire any software developer, any network administrator. Whosoever knows how to work on computers, they can operate, they can manage Moodle LMS with ease. Similar to social media. So social media is not only for those who are technical expert. Anybody can use it. Whosoever knows how to operate a computer, how to operate a mobile phone. In same way, anybody will be able to use Moodle LMS without any technical expertise. whether somebody is from applied sciences or arts and humanities or engineering background. So no dependency on any specific infrastructure. And obviously it should be secured. So as you can see here in Caroline, there may be possibility of cracking, data leakage. In case of Moodle LMS, that is purely object oriented software, it can't be hacked. It is fully secured against different types of malware attacks, different types of malicious traffic. Okay, now so as you can see here, customizable interface, we can perform different types of tasks in this. Okay, and which are different key modules: attendance, students categories, uploading of lessons, Google Apps integration, chat sessions. So whatever you can think that is required in any academic institute, or in case of corporate sector, it can be used very effectively and with ease without paying any amount. Different types of online tests and assessment modules are available. So we will see it's, so very soon we will start its demonstration. So these are few of the modules, and as we are discussing that, there are so many plugins available. So you can see here moodle.org/plugins. These are different plugins which we can use in free distribution. So you can see that. Suppose I want to work on certificate. I want to generate certificate within software itself, within platform itself. You can see certificate of achievement, certification of course completion, certificate of appreciation. So all these certificates we can generate within platform itself. In traditional way, what we do, suppose we are conducting one workshop or some conference. After that, we create a template in Photoshop or CorelDRAW. Then we put everybody's name and affiliation, and then we create n number of PDF files. But if we are using Moodle LMS, then different certificates we can generate automatically. So video conferencing, if I want to integrate video conferencing within Moodle LMS, you can see Alpha View Classroom, and these are free. Skype, even Skype meeting can also be done. And you can see this video file. Even video assignments are also available. Video assignments, you can see, that is one of the very effective module available in Moodle LMS. What happens in case of traditional assignment? You might have experienced it in classroom teaching or in traditional teaching environment, that whenever we give some assignment to our students or to our participants, then there are more chances that only few of the participants, only few of the students will complete it, and all other students will copy that assignment, because there is no evidence that each and every student was involved in that assignment. Even if we create some groups, suppose group of 5 students are created, you also might have experienced that out of 5 students, only one or two students perform that assignment, but the credit goes to the complete group, because there is no evidence, there is no justification, there is no proof that all 5 or 6 students were involved in that assignment. But if we are using video assignment, then dynamic video recording will have to be integrated while preparing that assignment, while working on that particular assignment. So this module is available, and you can see here, so a number of tools available. How many platforms, how many plugins available? You can see this. Around 2000 plugins are available. Suppose I want to work on plagiarism checker, Turnitin, Urkund, Acknowledge, so many, Plag Scan, Copyscape, Unicheck, Unplag. So many plagiarism checking modules are available within Moodle itself, so that we can check integrity of the assignments. So whatever assignments we are getting from our students or participants, these can be checked via these plagiarism checkers. So everything on common platform, everything on same platform, on centralized platform. If we want to integrate video chat, WhatsApp, you can see WhatsApp can be integrated. Okay, or any live session can be conducted within Moodle LMS. So there is no need to integrate separate WhatsApp group. Okay, and you might have experienced it that whenever we create some WhatsApp group of our students or participants, then so many messages we receive in unprofessional way. Okay, whether it is related to status or some particular wishes. So whosoever wakes up early morning, they start sending messages at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Okay, so it becomes very unprofessional environment when we see all these things in teaching and learning, in professional communication. So you can see live school, and all of these modules are freely available. Okay, is this point clear to all participants? Up to now, is it clear to all? Please confirm in chat. So which are different features of Moodle LMS, what we can do, and which are different plugins of Moodle LMS. Okay, and which are different features, which are different specialities of Moodle LMS. Okay, and now we will start the demonstration part. Now we will see how to work with Moodle LMS, by which way we can use it for e-learning. To work with Moodle LMS, there are two scenarios. In two ways we can work with Moodle LMS. One method is dedicated installation. The first method is the dedicated installation on a server. If we want to use Moodle LMS for our organization, for our institute, on intranet, on local server, on local infrastructure, in that case, we create a Moodle server. We download and install Moodle from this URL. So this is the easiest way to install Moodle LMS. Okay, bitnami.com and installer. So whatever flavor we are having, whether Windows or OS X or Linux, as it is free and open source for multiple platforms, we can download it from this URL and we can install it. Suppose in one computer I have installed this software, and that computer is having one IP address. So Moodle LMS will be accessible via that IP address. Suppose its IP address is 127.0.0.1 or 10.1.1.1. So that IP address /Moodle. But in that case, we need a server. To work on this particular scenario, we need a server. And that particular server will be accessible by all the clients via IP address. This is one way. And this particular way of installation, this particular way of working with Moodle LMS is possible where we are having access to servers. Okay. But many times, in case of small scale institutes, in case of small scale organizations, the access to server is not available. The second way, that is the easiest way to work with Moodle LMS, is cloud-based deployment. Cloud-based integration of Moodle LMS. That is the easiest way to work with Moodle, and there is no need to download any software, no need to configure any particular software. We can use Moodle Cloud or cloud flavor of Moodle directly, similar to any social media platform. So we will see how to work with Moodle LMS on cloud-based platform. And this is the easiest way to work with Moodle. And whether you are hosting a class of 10 students or 50 students, okay, so any number of classes can be deployed, can be integrated on Moodle using these cloud services. So this is one, moodlecloud.com and genomio.com. And not only these two, there are so many cloud services available which we can directly search with free Moodle hosting. So if we search on Google free Moodle hosting, there are so many platforms available which provides this feature. And there is no need to create any server. There is no need to create any machine for Moodle hosting. We can create account on this platform and directly we can start working with it. Okay, now we will see how to work with this platform, by which way we can experience different features of Moodle LMS. As you can see on this screen that we have to select a site name. So for example, I want to create a website with the name NITTR LMS. Okay, so it is similar to registration on any website. Whenever we use any new portal, we have to sign up, we have to create account, we have to choose username. For example, I want to create a website, Moodle website with this name NITTR LMS.genomio.com. Okay, if this name is available, then I will get its credentials on my mail ID. So this is my mail ID. Okay, suppose this name is not available, then I will see, okay, NITTRCHD.genomio.com. okay, if this name is available, if this account name is available, then its details, its credentials will be received on my mail ID. Okay, so gmail.com. So for example, I'm checking whether NITTT or lms.genomio.com is available or not. If it is available, then I will get a mail like this. So you can see this. This is the mail I will receive from genomio.com, that this is my username and this is the password of my Moodle deployment. Okay, is this visible to all of you? Simply create account, simply sign up on genomio.com. If that site is available, if that name is available, then its credentials, its username and password will be received here. Okay, now you will see how to create a course on Moodle, by which way we can enroll the users, by which way we can send them some study material, some assignments, some quiz. So different modules we will see now. And so I'm opening this URL in separate tab. And after logging on to my account, I will get this dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Moodle LMS. And you can see this website is created, NITTT/LMS.genomio.com, and it is available. It will be visible throughout the world. This course is deployed on cloud. Okay, simply I will create an account. I will sign up on genomio.com with some account name. So here you can put your organization name. You can specify name of your institute, whatever institute is there. Okay, name of institute, place.genomio.com. Even for personal academies, you can use such platforms. Nowadays, so many academies are using this particular platform, this Moodle LMS, for delivery of course contents. Okay, now you will see. So this is the first page, and all these steps I have mentioned in this presentation. So in this presentation, I have specified all these screenshots, whatever screenshots we are using here. So this is the genomio.com, and after that we will come to this screen. Each and every screenshot I have already taken. So at end of this class, at end of this session, I will share this presentation. Okay, but currently I am showing you each and everything in real-time demonstration mode. Its steps, screenshots will be available in this presentation that we will share at end of the session. Okay, now first step, after logging on to my Moodle account, click on site home. Okay, site home. On click of site home, you will see this panel, and now I want to create a new course. How to create a new course? By which way we can enroll the users in our course? This is the first step. At top right, you can see turn editing on. If we want to create a new course, if we want to add some new plugin, if we want to modify the structure of Moodle, so whatever new modification we want to perform, this is the first step. turn editing on. First of all, we have to turn on the editing, and this is also mentioned here in this screen, in this screenshot. So on click of site home, after that we enable this option, turn editing on. Okay, after that, now I will create a new course. So add a new course. On click of this button at bottom, so I'm repeating this point, at bottom you can see this is the option, add a new course. For example, I want to create a new class, I want to create a new course, new workshop, new STC, new FDP, whatever it is, we can use this option. And you can see this panel will open, and now we are specifying what is the course name. Now we are giving it course name, okay, STC Feb 2021. Okay, STC 101. Okay, if we are using it for some particular class, in that case you can write your course code ECE 101, okay, ECE 201, whatever it is. Here you can specify the subject, wireless sensor networks. Suppose you are teaching a specific subject, okay, WSN 101, like this. So it's up to you whether you are conducting a workshop, or you are teaching a class, or you are conducting some particular event. Okay, any name you can specify. Okay, so I'm specifying this wireless sensor networks. Okay, this is also fine, and this is the course code WSN 101. Any name you can give depending upon your course structure. Now, what is the timeline of the course? The course start date from today itself, 17th Feb 2021. What is the course end date? So we can specify course end date. If it is a semester, then depending upon the timeline of that semester, we can mention this date. If it is annual system, then depending upon that timeline of annual system, we can mention the course. Okay, and what is benefit of using Moodle in this case? At a specific date, at this particular course and date, automatically the complete study material, the complete content will move to the backend archive, and all course contents, all files can be recovered at any time. Okay, even after 10 years, any number of years, at any particular time instance, you can recover these files, at which particular date and time you have given which type of quiz, which type of assignment. So for knowledge transfer also, it is very effective platform. Otherwise, what happens, you also might have experienced it. Suppose you are asked to show one assignment that you have given 10 years ago to your students in a particular class. In that case, it becomes very struggling for the teachers to recover that particular assignment or that particular homework which was given 8 or 10 years ago. But if we are using this type of platform, then at any time we can recover that assignment, we can recover that particular quiz. Okay, so this we have specified, and course image, syllabus, we can specify here and save and display. Now we have created one course. We have created one course with the name wireless sensor networks, Any name it can be. It may be any FDP, it may be any workshop or any traditional subject. Now you can see that we have created one course. I am teacher of that course, this admin group, admin user, and but zero participants. There are no participants up to now. Teacher is available, course is available, but there is no student or no participants in this particular class or course. Now we will see how to register the participants, how to register the students in this particular course. So now we will see by which way different students, whether it is a single student or a number of students, can be enrolled in a particular course. At bottom left, second last option, that is site administration. You can see now we are creating some user accounts. In bottom left, site administration. On click of this, you will get so many options available. So in site administration, you can see users management is available, course management, grading, and plugins. Different plugins we can integrate. Different types of plugins, appearance, similar to Facebook or WhatsApp or social media account. We can modify themes also. We can modify background. You can see theme settings. Okay, we can change its color combination. Report generation, courses, users. Now we will see how to add a user in this particular course. So add a new user. If I want to add one user, single user, in that case, we will use this option, add a new user. If I want to upload a bulk list of users, if I want to upload n number of users at a time in one shot, for that we will use upload users. So I can take data from clerical staff, from support staff. They will provide me the data of students in Excel sheet, and that Excel sheet we can upload as it is, and all those students or participants will be uploaded in Moodle in a single click. So first of all, we will see how to add a new user. I want to add a user in this course, that is wireless sensor networks, and you can see here. So I'm giving it some username. So WSN student 1. So I'm noting it down separately. Otherwise we can forget the name. Okay. So this is the username, and this password I'm giving student@1. This password I'm giving, and WSN user. Email ID, whatever email ID we are specifying here. Okay. I can upload user picture here, image of that particular user, and create user. Now what we have done, we have uploaded details of one user in this course, that is wireless sensor networks. And if I want to check it whether it is enrolled or not, you will see that still it is showing that 0 participants found. Just now we have uploaded one user. We should note that the user we have just uploaded, the user details we have just created, that is for entire Moodle. Now we have to enroll that user in this course, because in any educational institute, in any organization, there are multiple courses. Okay, so we have to specify which user should be enrolled to which particular course. Suppose we are having n number of subjects, n number of domains, electrical, mechanical, CSC, okay, and 1000 users are uploaded. So we have to enroll users, okay. These students are in CSC, these students for ECE, and these n number of students for mechanical. So we have to enroll. So enroll users. And now I will enroll this WSN user as a student. If I want to upload, if I want to enroll this user as a teacher, then I will select teacher. In that case, it will become teacher. It will get all rights of teacher or manager or HOD. Okay, so similar rights. There is in between designation, that is your non-editing teacher. What is non-editing teacher? You might have seen in many organizations, in many universities, there are specific designations like teaching assistant, which are meant for the data entry task. They can upload the attendance, they can upload assignment, but they cannot mark the assignments. They cannot give evaluation marks to those assignments. Okay, they can upload the statement of case study, they can upload attendance, but at the time of evaluation, teacher will have to evaluate it. So if we are having somebody for data entry, that we specify as a non-editing teacher. But in this case, we are using WSN user as student and enroll users. Now, this user will be enrolled as participant or student of this course. Now this course is complete. Course is available, student is available, teacher is also available. This is the course, wireless sensor network. I am teacher, this admin, and this is user, that is WSN user. Is this clear to all participants up to now, whatever we have covered so far? Creation of course, creation of user, and its enrollment. Up to now, is it clear to all? Please confirm in chat. Creation of course, creation of user, and enrollment of user in that class. Okay. Now we will see, now we will start working with student teacher interaction. Now we will see by which way students will interact with their teacher. Now I am, yes please.
एनरोलमेंट कहाँ से क्लिक किया था आपने, वो बताइए।
यहाँ पर in participants, enroll users. In this you will have to select. Suppose I want to enroll some person with name Amit. So in this you can see that multiple students are available with this name. Okay. Suppose there is some person with name Kiran. So I want to enroll Kiran as student or manager or teacher. Okay.
जो हम ऐड करेंगे स्टूडेंट वही दिखाएगा।
हाँ जी, अगर हमने स्टूडेंट को ऐड करना है, if we want to add students, at bottom left site administration, in site administration you will go to users and add a new user.
Okay sir, thank you.
Okay.
Sir, this is Nitin Sharma. I request you go a little slower. Actually, we are doing side by side.
Okay, ma'am, you are requested not to do it in parallel. So in your practice session, you can do it. First of all, you simply understand the process.
Okay, sir. But then we forget all these things. How to go one
Yes,
by
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, each and everything is in all these screenshots. So I have taken these screenshots. Is it visible?
Are you going to share these screenshots?
Yes,
after you said?
yes. You can see that in these screenshots, I have mentioned each and everything what you have to do.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
I will share it. So in parallel, it will take time. In afternoon session, you can perform its practice.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Now, I am teacher in this course. One student we have created, and this course is available. This course is created. Okay. Now we will see which different activities we can perform here. I will move to my course, that is WSN 101 as a teacher. This is my teacher profile. As you can see here, this is my Chrome web browser. In Chrome browser, I am teacher. Now, in parallel, I will log in as a student. To log in as a student in parallel, I will use different web browser. Otherwise, I will have to log out from here. So I'm copying the URL, that is nitrlms.vinomio.com, and I'm opening Opera web browser. Okay. So in Chrome, I am teacher. In Opera browser or in Firefox, any other browser we can take. Otherwise, on same browser, if I want to work, I will have to log out. So rather than doing that, I'm using Opera browser. And in this Opera browser, I will log in as a student. So you can see here that this is my different web browser on same system, because for demonstration, I will have to become student also. Okay, so that you can see by which way student is receiving the data, by which way teacher is sending some study material. Okay, so to understand both processes, I will log in as a student as well as a teacher. In Opera, I am student. So my student username is WSN user1, that I have already noted down, and this is my password. So in this particular browser, I am student. Okay. So you can see that at top right, I am WSN user. At top right, I am WSN user. And as soon as I have logged in to my student account, it is visible that I am participant. I am student of wireless sensor networks. So first time I have logged in as a user, as a student, and it is visible to me that I am participant of this course, wireless sensor networks. Okay, so you can see this WSN 1. Now, in this panel, in this browser, I am student. Now I will move back to my teacher profile. This is my teacher profile. This is my teacher dashboard in Chrome browser. Now I will give some study material to my students. I will interact with my student, that is WSN user. In Moodle, if I want to send some study material, if I want to interact with my students, then you can see this is the option, add an activity or resource. And here you can see different topics are mentioned. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. Okay, these may be different sessions also. So in wireless sensor network, for example, this is the first session, or this is the first timeline. Okay, this is the second topic. Okay, so you can rename these things. Now, as a teacher, I want to give some study material, or I want to interact with my student. So click on add an activity or resource. On click of add an activity or resource, you can see so many options are available, so many modules are available. assignment, book, chat. So you can see that chat session is available within Moodle itself. There is no need to use WhatsApp separately. So within this platform, we can chat with our students or with our participants. If I want to share some lesson, some study material, if I want to work on some quiz, it can be done. Now, as you can see here, that there are two segments available. One is activities, second, resources. So what is difference between activities and resources? When teacher provides some study material or some file or some lecture notes, that is one way it will be covered as a resource. For example, I want to give some PowerPoint presentation, some PDF file, some book to my student. That is a resource. That is teaching and learning resource. That is a study material. Okay. Some resource I want to give to my participants, to my students. Anything that is in two-way communication, that is covered as an activity. Assignment is an activity. I am giving assignment to my students. Students will respond to that assignment. I will give marks to that particular assignment as a teacher. Student will check grade book of that particular assignment. That is an activity. That is two-way communication. Chat is also an activity. Student is asking something, teacher is replying to that assignment, or teacher is replying to that particular chat message. Then again student is asking some more queries, then teacher is replying to those queries. So that is an activity, two-way communication. Multi-way communication, workshop, brainstorming, discussion board, forum, quiz. All these are activities which are in two-way communication. So first of all, we will see how to integrate a chat session within Moodle. So one by one, we will explore these features: chat, study material, forum, quiz. One by one, we will see different modules of Moodle LMS. For example, I want to integrate chat. So rather than using WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I want to use chat within platform itself. Okay. So I'm giving it chat room, wireless sensor networks. Okay. Students can ask their queries in this chat room and save and display. Now you can see that without writing even a single line of code, without any programming, this chat room is created. This chat session is created. Now we will see by which way student and teacher will interact in this particular chat room. So as you can see here, in this browser, I am teacher. So I am entering in my chat room of WSN as a teacher. So click here to enter chat now. And this window is opened here. This is the window. So this left hand side window is for teacher. Okay. And here you can see admin user is logged in. It means teacher is logged in. And it is looking similar to different chat engines. Whenever we log on to some chat application, we get a list of those users also which are online. So currently you can see no other user is online. Only admin user is online in chat. Student is online in Opera, but not in chat room. You can see here, student is online on this particular course, but not in chat room. Now I will log in as a student in my chat room, and we will see by which way student and teacher will interact. So as a student, I am refreshing my dashboard, and you can see here that as soon as I have refreshed or logged in.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, can you please explain how we added the chat room once again, please, sir?
Yes, sir. So you can see here. So in this is my Chrome browser. This is Chrome browser. Is it visible? And
yes,
here
sir.
I am teacher. So add an activity or resource and click on this chat.
Okay.
Okay. And it will ask the name of chat room. So chat room tutorials. Okay. So any name you can give and save and display.
Okay, sir.
Very simple. Now we have created 2 chat rooms. So you can see that one more chat room is created. As a student in Opera browser, I am refreshing again, and you will see that second chat room is available. So on a single click, without any programming, without any coding, we can work on this application. Okay. Now, as a student, I want to chat with my teacher. So I'm clicking on this chat room WSN, and you can see that with each and every activity, this checklist is also available. So student can mark it, okay, whether this work is done or not, whether this is done or not. Okay. Now I will enter in chat room as a student. This is my chat application, and click here to enter chat now. And you can see that it is visible to the student that teacher is online from last 2 minutes 49 seconds. So it is visible to me, it is visible to student that teacher is online. So I will interact with my teacher now. Click here to enter chat now. So this window I have opened at right hand side, and so this right hand side window is for student, and this left hand side chat room or chat window is for teacher. Now to teacher, the name of student is visible, that this is also online. In chat window of student, it is also available that admin user is online. So talk beep. So now as a student, I will send message to my teacher. Good morning. Please send today's lecture notes. So now as a student, in right hand side window, I'm sending message to my teacher. Enter, and you can see that as soon as I have clicked in right hand side window as a student, it is visible instantly in left hand side window of teacher that some user is asking some particular content. Okay. Okay. So now in left hand side window, I am replying to my student. Okay, will send by evening. So in left hand side window as a teacher, I am replying to my student that okay, I will send these lecture notes by evening. So 2 windows I have opened. In left hand side I am teacher, in right hand side I am student. So enter. Is this visible to all of you? Is this clear to all participants up to now? And how much it is looking difficult or easy? And after that we can close it. Is this clear to all participants? How to
Sir, how
integrate?
student can see the chat?
Yes, sir. So now I want to see historical sessions of chat. So view past chat sessions. So student can check at which particular date and time, which message I sent to my teacher, what was the reply. So you can see that. So this was my question, and this reply teacher has given to me. In same way, as a teacher, I want to see my historical messages. In case of WhatsApp, what happens? We can delete the message. Okay, after sending some message, we can delete it. But here, it will be available to the course manager as well as a student also, that what was the message. So first of all, student sent this message, and after that teacher replied, at which particular time student left the chat room. So it will be synchronous in nature, it will be in real time, and complete content will be available every time. So at any time you can recover that particular content. Okay, and obviously if we are creating chat room in this way on single platform, on this platform, then there will be professional discussion, there will be discussion about the course, there will be chat regarding that particular subject. On this particular chat room, nobody will share some wishes or some other informal messages which we generally face in case of mobile based platforms, mobile based chat sessions. Okay, is this clear to all participants? Please confirm.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, if we have suppose 4 or 5 students, and
Okay.
only 3 students participated in chat, so
Yes, sir.
the rest 2 students can see the chat later on.
No,
If they,
no.
Okay, sir.
No, sir. Actually, students and teachers who interacted previously, they will be able to view the chat session. If I send some message to my teacher, in that case, I can see it. Okay, teacher can view it, but whosoever, but the students who did not participate in the chat session, they will not be able to see it, because those chat sessions are related to user specific. Those chat sessions were related to student teacher interaction in one-to-way, in one-to-one communication.
Okay, so it's one-to-one communication.
Yes, sir. But teacher will be able to view every communication that that was done previously.
Okay, sir. This is an advantage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So is this clear to all participants? How to integrate chat session? In next session, we will see some more features like assignments, feedbacks, forums, so many other features we will see in next session at 11:30. If you have any query up to this point, you can ask. Any query from participants up to this point we have covered. And is it clear or not? How much it is looking difficult or easy to work with?
It seems easy, sir, but what I am telling is we will try during this half an hour, and if we will get some difficulty, we'll ask, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. If you have any query, you can put in chat or unmute yourself. Next session will be at 11:30, and in that session we will see some more features of Moodle LMS, how to integrate assignment, how to mark those assignments, by which way we can ask some queries from our students. So different other modules we will cover in next session at 11:30. Okay. So should we have a break till 11:30? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. We can have an half an hour break, and then we can continue at 11:30.
Okay, fine, sir. Sure.
So dear participants, kindly be back by 11:25. So sir only will take the next session. So we'll break now for half an hour, and we'll be back by 11:25.